Welcome. So today, we're gonna make some organic pesticide for our plants. To start off with, you need 3 ingredients to make an organic pesticide. 1 liter of water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 4 drops of dishwashing liquid. But about the water, your water must not have chlorine. For example, in Metro Manila, you have to let it over for a day. For now, we just have this example. And we got our spray and our funnel. This is how you make it. First, you take your vinegar and your tablespoon, you open it up. If it doesn't have a cap, put it in here. You put it in 1 liter of water. There we go. Close it up. Second, we have dishwashing liquid. We have to put 4 drops. And put 4 drops of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close it up. And we're going to mix it using our spoon. We're going to use our funnel to put this inside our sprayer container. We're going to put some of it because we're not going to use the entire thing because it won't fit in here. Too much. And you remove your funnel and put in the spray caps. And before we spray our plants, let's have some tips. You only can use this for once a week and every late afternoon. Don't use pesticide. You spray your pesticide to your plants because in the early morning or early day, because the sun burn your plant. Now I'm gonna spray this to my plants now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. Bye.